Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you have joined me, my name is Lisa Baldwin. I am a virtual assistant and I teach people to launch or grow their very own virtual assistant business. But in today's video, I want to do a very quick tutorial on how to remove the background from a photo using one of the newest features in Canva. You do have to have a pro membership in order to do this. The nice thing about it is that now you are able to do this with Canva, where before you had to use something like Photoshop or Illustrator, or you could do it with PicMonkey as well. So far, I've used it a few times since Canva has unveiled the feature, and I have been very surprised at how well it does. So let's just dive right in. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to create a YouTube thumbnail graphic for my channel. And if you've visited my channel before, you know that all the thumbnails actually have a picture of me. And it's a picture, a screenshot that I grab from each video, and then I just remove the background and then place it over the YouTube thumbnail. The first thing that you're going to want to do, again, like I said, you do have to have a Canva Pro account. And I just went to my home screen here, logged into canva.com, and I just needed a blank canvas basically. And I chose just a Facebook graphic that will work perfectly for what we need to do today. What I'm going to do is this photo right here is actually the photo that I want to remove the background from. So I'm going to just drag it over here. And as you can see, there is my photo. And basically all I want in this photo is just right there, the picture of me. So I'm going to click on that. So I'm going to click on effects right here. And then the option that I am going to choose is the top one here, background remover. And watch this. There it is. It completely took the background out altogether. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to crop out the excess of what I don't need. I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger. And then I am going to export it. And I'm going to do it as a PNG with a transparent background. If I don't choose this, the background is going to be white. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click download. Now that I have downloaded the PNG with the transparent background, now I'm going to go into my YouTube thumbnail. And on my thumbnails, I just put the photo of myself right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that photo and I'm going to drag it over. And then I am just going to reposition it where I want it. And I have put the graphic in there. I have changed it with the effects. I flipped it so it fits in well with my graphic. And now my YouTube thumbnail is ready to go.